Hello everyone, this is your host Shiraz Ahmad Khan. Viewers, in today's video we are going to discuss a very general tool that is available in Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 as well. Rather, it's a very useful tool, especially these days when the evidence of something is required, like evidence of your work is required in the form of an image. So this is what we call snipping. Snipping means cutting or cropping the the required stuff, and removing the unnecessary stuff from a document, from a window, or from your work. We can save this, whatever we crop or whatever we snip, we can save it as an image. So let's start learning this tool quickly. For that purpose, first of all, we'll have to start this software, Snipping Tool. Its technical name is Snipping Tool. It's available in Windows. You can, if you are using Windows 10, you can click inside the search box available on the taskbar, click inside it and start typing Snipping Tool. And once it's found, you can place it, you can pin this tool to the taskbar, you can pin it to the start, like I have pinned it to the taskbar. But before starting this Snipping Tool software, I recommend you to open something so that we can see impact of its working. For that purpose, I am opening the control panel, and in the control panel you can open any other option from these given options, like I'm clicking the keyboard option. So now one dialog box or window, it's in front of us, and the second one is given in the background. Now start the snipping tool. Now the snipping tool, it's in front of us, so let's understand it. First of all, let's focus onto the mod option. Click onto the drop down list and let's understand these given four options. Full screen snip means it will take a screenshot of the whole screen. Like right now in our screen, we have two windows in front of the desktop. One is the control panel window itself, and the second one is the keyboard properties. If you click full screen snip, let's see, automatically the screenshot of the whole screen it's taken. Now I'll come back to this point, that what we can do once the snipping is done or once the screenshot is taken. First of all, let's understand that what we can do, or what are the options for taking the screenshots. So this was the first option, full screen snip. Close it, start the snipping tool again, go to the mod option, and now click the window snip. If you click this, it means that now look at the shape of the mouse pointer, it's changed. Wherever you click, it will take screenshot of that particular window only. For example, we have two windows now in front of us, the control panel window itself and the keyboard properties window. I'm clicking onto the keyboard properties window only. So here it is, the screenshot of the window onto which we clicked is taken. That was the keyboard properties window. Moreover, once the screenshot is taken and you complete your working with it to save or to copy it somewhere else, you can straight away click to the new button instead of starting the snipping tool time and time again. So I'm clicking the new button again. Again, the snipping tool is launched. This time from the mod, let's click the rectangular snip. Rectangular snip is for the accurate snipping of the windows, like click and make use of drag and drop. But more interestingly, if you want to take a screenshot of any particular window, the best option is the second one, is the third one, that the Windows snap. If you use the Windows snap, in that particular case, in the case of Windows snap, you need not to be very careful regarding that where you are placing the cursor, from where you are starting the drag operation and where you are releasing the mouse button. So in order to be at ease, the best option, in case if you want to take the screenshot of a particular window, the best option is window snip. And if you want to take a screenshot of something particular from that particular window, then go for the rectangular snip. Like if we click rectangular snip and let's take the screenshot of it only. This is snipping is done and the screenshot is taken. Again, click the new button, and now let's see the last option for that, that is free form snip. In the case of free form snip, you can move your pointer in any direction as a free form, like we do free form drawing. Look. So wherever we use the same function drag and drop but in a different way. So this way you can snip using the free form option. So we have completed our discussion regarding the modes of snipping. Let's go back to the rectangular snip, and now let's see that once the snipping is done, once the screenshot is taken, what are the possibilities with us. So let's click the window snip, click onto the keyboard properties. Screenshot is taken accurately of that particular window, and the important options in this case are we can save this snip as a picture, as an image, or we can copy and paste it somewhere else. For example, if you want to send it to your friend or your colleague or your trainer or your teacher, or share it with the students, you can just make copy of it. There is no need to permanently save it. Copy it and paste it in the WhatsApp window. Similarly, you can directly email it as an attachment, as an image, or you can save it permanently for future reference. Let's experiment it. Save snip, and let's save it onto the desktop with the name test snip. Now this will be saved as an image onto the desktop, and once the snipping and the saving is done, you can move on by clicking onto the new button or the new option in the snipping tool. So viewers, that's it for today. I hope this lecture will help you a lot, and let me share it more, that why do we need snipping tool. We took start from this point that we use snipping tool if you want to give someone evidence of your work, especially for the Cambridge students, or if you want to share something with anyone else from your computer or laptop. In mobile phone we have different keys with us, and with the combination of those keys you can take a screenshot of the whole mobile screen, and then later on you can make modifications in it through edit button, and then you can share it with your friends or anyone else. Similarly, in the computer there is no need to press the print screen button and then copy paste it into the import this image into the Microsoft Word, and then do crop it. Instead of doing all this, just to reduce the workload, you can make use of the snipping tool. I hope you will like this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again.